Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a mini haul video and few randoms for you all. So if you are someone who likes to see a huge haul video, this may not be a good option for you all. So without further ado and without much wasting of time, let's get into the video. So starting off with the randoms first, the first product I got is from the brand Zara. This is perfume. So this was in the discount, as I was billing few products. The person there said that this is like a good perfume. So I just decided to give this a try and I bought this one. So yeah, the first perfume is from the brand Zara. The second product that I got is from the brand H&M. This is a mobile cover. Now this is in the leather print and the fibers of this one is very soft. So to let you know guys, like I'm a big fan of leather prints, and leather prints makes me so much excited that I really wanted to buy this. And this retails for $799 rupees. I know it's a bit expensive considering a mobile cover, but the cover just made me fall in love, and I knew that I just wanted to get the hands on this mobile cover. So yeah, this is my second purchase. So the third product that I'll be showing you all is from the brand Claire's. Now this is again a mobile cover, and this is like a t-shirt and it says I love pizza. Well, to let you all know guys, I really love pizza. So yeah, this looks so cute. Like I bought this one, and this retails for 850 rupees. Now guys, if I forget to mention anything in the video, I will list it in the description down below, so please do not forget to check that out as well. So so that was it for the randoms, and now starting off with the makeup. The first product that I got is from the brand Bobbi Brown. I got their lipsticks. So this is in the shade Hibiscus and it's shade number 18. So this is from the limited edition, and just look at the packaging guys. The packaging is to die for. I really loved the packaging, and the packaging just made me fall in love. So this is like a pretty pink shade. It's good to wear for an everyday purpose. So it's very beautiful shade guys, and let me know in case if you need review on any of the products. So this is the first product that I got it from the brand Bobbi Brown. The next product that I got is again from the brand Bobbi Brown, and this is in the shade number 04. It's a pretty nice brown color. So yeah, this is how it looks. So this retails for 2250. I know it's a bit expensive for a lipstick, but then guys, this is Bobbi Brown. The next product that I got is from MAC. So I got their highlighter. This is like from the limited edition. So this is how MAC recently launched this collection. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is like a pretty highlighter. It's in the shade highly illogical. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the highlighter is. I hope you can see it. So the next product that I got is again from the MAC, and this is their mascara. It's Insta Black mascara, and this is how the packaging looks. And just look at the mascara. This is like a very different packaging. I really like this mascara. It's very nice. It's very volumizing, and it's just definitely a good must try for everyone if you see this collection. So this retails for 1990. So approx 2000 for a mascara. So the next product that I got is the last two shadows that I have to show you all. So this is in the shade Bounce Around. Very sexy name guys. This is in the shade Bounce Around, and it's a very beautiful like bronzy shade. Now to let you know, the texture of this eyeshadow is to die for. It's like a very moussey texture, very soft and very buttery. So yeah, this retails for 2000 rupees. So the next product that I got again is from the brand MAC, and this is in the shade Plead Guilty. Now this is like a very pretty golden yellowish shade. Let me show you all guys. This is the shade that I'm wearing right now on the eyes. So yeah, that was it for the haul guys. Let me know if you need review from my site on any of these products. I'll be happy to do it for you all, and please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up as well as subscribe down to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.